best way to check compatibility, not just in a relationship, in, I don't know, like offices where you're hiring people, with people that you want to work with, people that you come across in your life, maybe even friends, whatever project you're undertaking. It's good to check their horoscopes. And I don't mean like sun sign, moon sign. I mean Vedic astrology, the birth chart, the birth map. And it's phenomenal how amazing the results can be when you are really compatible. I mean, most people just go by ad hoc, hiring, ad hoc companionship. You just go by your gut feeling. That's okay for the initial phase of either a relationship or a project. But if you want to see something long term, you want to see if there is real compatibility. Because trust me, I hear this all the time. We need loyalty, we need sincerity, we need commitment. Without compatibility, all these things feel like prison. They feel suffocating because most people did not check their Vedic birth charts. I also, everybody that I've hired, I've seen their birth charts because it's just so easy, right? A lot of times people don't know themselves. They could be portraying something that they are not. When I see the birth chart, it doesn't lie. Your birth chart does not lie. Even what dasha you're going through, what planetary changes are going to come in your life, all this I can see, which helps me understand you better, deal with you better, and manage the chaos. Because life can be really chaotic. No one has it all figured out. But when we check the astrological compatibility, it is manageable chaos. We know what we're heading in for. We know the kind of problems that are going to come. So we're better prepared. I don't believe in anymore, at least my life experience has led me here, that I don't want to waste my time and energy. I want to cut through the BS and get to the point. And I'm ready to teach this to all of you because that's what we learn in Astro 101. Basic, simple, everybody can learn this. All of you studied some level of math, some level of physics. That's all you need to understand Jyotish because it is scientific and mathematic knowledge. So, basic, just 10 hours to learn to read a birth chart. Don't go by what the newspapers are telling you. Don't go by just knowing your moon sign and your sun sign. Half the time, that's not correct calculation. You could be born in August and not be a Leo. You could be born in February and not be an Aquarius. Trust me, Vedic astrological calculations are very different. We learn how to read. First, we'll go online and see how to make, draw the birth chart from a software, and then we learn how to decode it. And then you can do this with everybody in your house. You can check your compatibility with your mother in law also, with all these people that are coming in your life. Let's say you want to date somebody. I want to see your birth chart if I want to date you. Because if we're not a match, it's a turn off. Because eventually it's not going to lead anywhere. It's going to be a waste of my time and energy. And all of us who love our time, who don't want to waste it, who want to have control over our life, over our own life and our decisions, I think everybody should know basic level astrology nowadays. And it's so easy. Earlier, these sciences were complex because most people were not that educated. Very few people in a village or in a community would go on to study mathematics and physics and geometry. Now, all of us have studied basic scientific stuff. So, we are all equipped to study this kind of a complex science. Does it work? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Trust me, your marriage will be less miserable and your relationships will be more tolerable, even in the long run, if you're fairly compatible with that person. So don't take these big decisions of your life just on your gut or just because of what your family is saying. Don't hire randomly. At least your core team that you're hiring, you should get their birth charts read. You should see, is this person appropriate for the job that I'm giving this person? Is this person compatible with what I want to achieve through my vision, through my work? If that chart is compatible, it will say it out loud. And then we can, ignore so many other incompatible aspects. So hire right, date the right person. And by right, I mean just more compatible than others around. So Astro 101 will start. Please enroll. The link is given in the bio. It's a 10-day batch, Monday to Friday, 1 hour every day. And it's for everybody. It's somebody who knows nothing about astrology can learn. See you.